In this video, we're going to learn how to make a farmhouse table centerpiece. I know that you're going to learn a thing or two. After the end, you're going to learn how to position your flowers and give you some ideas for a table arrangement for your table this spring. Hello, I'm Julie Samaka with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and also arrangements, and we teach you how to make and sell them. I can't wait to show you how to make this beautiful farmhouse table centerpiece. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is glue in our styrofoam. Cute, cute, cute. All right, so let's see if we can make something pretty with this. Let me find a piece to, I'm just going to scrape this down over my trash can. To get it a little more level. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue on the end of this. Now, if you didn't want to glue it, you don't have to. You could just put it down in there so that you could always replace it, you know, for a different season. I'm going to put that down in here. And I'll get my floral picks ready. If you have a hard time with the glue sticking to the metal, you could use a little bit of liquid Gorilla Glue, which I'm trying to remember where mine is. Oh, I need to clean up the shop. It's around here somewhere. All right, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So we've got our one piece. Now we're going to stack this piece right on top of it with a little bit of glue. Or a lot of glue, I should say. And then, see how we're just stacking it right on top. And we're going to go ahead and take, before the glue sets, let's go ahead and put in some make sure these go all the way down. I don't know where my needle nose pliers are. Okay. I think I'll do one more. And so now this is what we have. So we took our floral picks all the way through the styrofoam so that they're sandwiched and speared together. So now we got one more piece. We're going to do the same thing. Glue. And then the wooden floral skewer. Or you could use skewers if you wanted, but I'm using wooden floral picks. So I'm going to push that down. And then we'll use our floral picks. We want them to go all the way down to the other styrofoam. We'll do one more. So this is what we have, and you can see that we've got the wooden floral picture showing right here. The moss will cover that up though. So we're gonna spread out some moss on top of this. Whew. Should wear a mask with this stuff. Ugh. So the next thing we're going to do is add our focal flowers. Okay, so let's go ahead and start adding in some of our flowers. I have this hydrangea bush. We're going to go ahead and add this. I think this is going to be so pretty. This is perfect for if you have you know, a wedding that you've got coming up that you need some centerpieces for, or maybe you need a Mother's Day gift idea. This would be really pretty. So let's see if I can find my tallest stem on here. They're all pretty much the same. I think I'm going to put this guy right here in the center. Okay. Let's put this guy a little bit further down. Going to start filling in. I got into this business about 10 years ago because I wanted to have pretty things for my house, but I could not afford a designer price tag. So I started doing things myself. I'm self-taught, but now I have the pleasure of teaching thousands of people every month on the art of wreath making and floral design in my Wreath Making of the Month Club group. So I just love teaching, and they love learning. It's just a great community of women who get together to talk all things floral and ribbon. Okay, so y'all, I mean, look at that. You could stop here if you wanted. I mean, you really could. You could really stop here. So let's go ahead and start adding some of this. I'm trying to remember what they call this. It's not on here. But it's just a really pretty, delicate floral. Let's go ahead and separate this guy. Oh goodness, now I've got to find the bottom. Find the styrofoam. How pretty is that? Reminds me of honeysuckle just a little bit. These add a lot of texture and dainty, airy feel to these. It looks so real. It's just beautiful. So this is so pretty. The only other thing I was going to add is probably a little bit of fern or something, just a little bit of greenery. So we have this really pretty fern bush that we're going to start to add in. This is just going to give it a little bit of a different color. I've already cut some off of the bush, and now I just shape them a little bit to make them look, you know, real. You don't want them to look too straight. I want to give them a little bit of life, a little bit of character, and then we're going to just start adding these in. So I love that. I love it. Do you see how it just adds the a little bit of a different color and texture? Do you see how the pretty fern just added another element to the arrangement, and it just adds a really pretty different texture and a different color green. So this turned out super cute. Here is a little handle so we can hold it up. It's a little, remember it started out as a little teacup, but it's a really cute now centerpiece for your table. There you have it, a beautiful table centerpiece for your table this Easter or spring or wedding, wherever you want to use it. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please know you're a blessing to me. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell so the next time we upload a video or go live here, you'll be notified, okay? And then if you enjoy watching tutorials like this and learning the art of floral arranging or wreath making, make sure to join us in our Wreath Making of the Month Club. Bye!